Hello, I'm Amber Hulse, an attorney with Dhillon Law Group, and today I want to walk you through the top 5 ways Dhillon Law Group is fighting for election integrity across the country. First, we go straight to the ballot itself, because if the ballot is designed unfairly or unlawfully, the election is compromised before a single vote is even counted. Ballot design is not cosmetic. It can affect the fairness of an entire election. In Gloucester County, New Jersey, election officials issued ballots in a format that conflicted with New Jersey's legal requirements. Dhillon Law Group filed an emergency appeal this October on behalf of local party organizations and candidates, because when officials improvise the ballot, they risk confusing voters. The New Jersey Appellate Division agreed the law had to be followed and ordered the county to issue lawful ballots. Second, we fight for transparency, because election records are public records. That's why we brought an Open Public Records Act case in Burlington County, New Jersey, on behalf of the Republican National Committee, seeking ballot drop box chain of custody records and surveillance footage after the county refused to provide full disclosure. Transparency isn't optional, it's the foundation. The public has a right to see how ballots are secured, transported, and handled, and when that access is denied, courts are the tool that restore accountability. Third, we push for uniform, lawful handling of mail-in ballots, including ballot curing rules that must be applied consistently and within the limits of the law. On November 4th, 2025, we filed a motion to intervene in the Bergen County litigation on behalf of the New Jersey Republican State Committee, asking the court to block election officials from fixing or accepting defective mail-in ballots using curing methods that are not allowed under New Jersey law. Fourth, we defend ballot access so voters decide, not bureaucrats. During the 2023 to 2024 cycle, there were efforts in states like Maine and Colorado to remove a presidential candidate from the ballot using unprecedented legal theories. Dhillon Law attorneys were a part of the defense of ballot access in that nationwide dispute, which ultimately reached the United States Supreme Court. The court's unanimous decision made clear that states do not have the authority to remove federal candidates from the ballot on their own. It affirmed that elections should be decided by voters at the ballot box. And it set a firm precedent that will shape future federal elections by preventing states from applying inconsistent disqualification rules. Fifth, Dhillon Law Group engages in broader election law enforcement and strategic litigation nationwide to keep election administration anchored to the rule of law. That means challenging unlawful deviations and demanding accountability when government officials stray from the rules. Ballot format, records access, ballot access. These aren't just isolated issues. They're the building blocks of public confidence. And when one block is weak, the whole structure shakes. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more election law and election integrity updates. And if you have legal concerns related to any of the issues we discussed today, contact Dhillon Law Group to learn more about your options. Thanks for listening. I'm Amber Hulse.